Welcome back to the InfoFlux. Today we are going to control LEDs using an IR remote and Arduino. It is a fun project that is perfect for beginners and a great way to learn how infrared communication works with Arduino. So let's get started. Here what you will need for this project: Arduino board, IR receiver module, IR remote control, RGB LED module, buzzer, breadboard, and some jumper wires. The IR receiver sensor module is a versatile component that allows your Arduino projects to receive and decode infrared signals. It can be used in various applications such as remote control systems, proximity sensing, and home automation projects. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to set up the IR receiver sensor module within Arduino and create projects that respond to infrared signals. The IR receiver sensor module consists of 3 pins: VCC, ground, and signal pin. First, let's connect the IR receiver module to the Arduino. The IR receiver has 3 pins. The signal pin connects to digital pin 3 of the Arduino. The VCC pin connects to the 5V pin of the Arduino. The ground pin goes to Arduino ground. Now connect the RGB LED module with Arduino. You can connect LEDs and other home appliances instead of the RGB module. Connect the B pin of the RGB module with D5 of the Arduino. Connect the G pin of the RGB module with D6 of the Arduino. Connect the R pin of the RGB module with D7 of the Arduino. Now connect the buzzer. Connect the VCC of the buzzer module with 5V of the Arduino. Connect the ground of the buzzer module with ground of the Arduino. Connect the signal pin of the buzzer module with D8 of the Arduino. Now let's write the code to make this work. The first thing you will need is the IR remote library. Head over to the Arduino library manager and install it. Upload the code to the Arduino. Now let's find the button codes for your remote. Each button press will generate a unique hexadecimal value, which you can decode to identify specific button functions. Open the serial monitor and press different buttons. The IR receiver will output a unique hexadecimal code for each button. Copy these codes and use them in the code. As you can see, each button pressed toggles an LED on or off. By pressing the button in remote, LED in the RGB module turn on and off. When I press 1, the red LED is turned on, and by again pressing 1, the LED turned off. Pressing 2 will turn on green LED. Pressing 3 will turn on blue LED. And pressing 4 will turn on buzzer. That's it for today's video. You have just learned how to control LED with an IR remote using Arduino. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome projects. If you have any questions, drop them in comment below. Thanks for watching.